Here's a big leak. You can actually hear this one. It's in this particular lateral right here. Wraps around this tree and double backs and back of me. I could hear this one 200 feet away through the woods. And just can see that there's no sap. What little sap I see is whistling at a high velocity through the tubing here. I followed it up the main till I found this one, because you can actually hear this a couple mains or a couple laterals down, saddles down. But this saddle is fine because there's sap in it. But this is definitely a leak and causing low vacuum or lower vacuum. So we'll isolate this one. As I said, we'll follow this lateral up and see which. Looks like there's possibly 3 taps on this one. We'll walk to the first one and we'll check this first one. I mean, I can still hear it. So what I'll do, there's the tap. I'll put a little well here and you can see the sap collecting without whistling through this tube. Right down near my thumb, you'll see the sap. So it's definitely not this one. We'll move to the next one. Check on this one and see how the sap collects on here. Definitely not this one, even though it's jiggling. I believe it's caused from the velocity of what's whistling down here at this T. So we're going to go further up this line and check out this tree right here. And this one has to be it because this is the last one on the line. And if you can hear it whistling on the video, you'll probably hear it stop whistling when I kink this drop. So here's that tap. Looks like a bad section of the tree because if I look up, there's a dead section where the limb snapped off. And I can actually see stuff whistling, but you'll hear it quiet right down as soon as I kink this line. So I don't know if you could hear that disappear, but that is gone. So we're going to try and find a better place on this tree. We're going to knock this tap out and re-tap on the other side. So that should help also. Here it is again. I'm going to let it off. And I don't know if the microphone picks it up, but you can hear the whistling. So there it is, re-tapped. From the previous hollow spot up above here. So yeah, there's just a big scar inside the tree. Anyway, this one seems to be holding all right. I can see sap collecting right here, not whistling by. So, found a good section. That's it. Finding leaks.